So far then we've seen examples where we can take water out of things. What about adding the water back? So for instance, our copper sulfate here, this white powder that we now have, if I add some water back to this, there's some water, add it back, it goes blue again. And this is, we'd say that the copper sulfate has been rehydrated and it's reformed the blue colour that we see due to the interaction of the copper ions with the water. Well, many things can be rehydrated. Of course, we use this stuff all the time. This is instant coffee. This is dehydrated coffee. We put it into our cup, add some water, rehydrate it, and we get our coffee back. Now, can everything be rehydrated? Okay, well, let's see what happens in the Batman film. We just have the lights down again. So now the penguin has smuggled the dehydrated pirates back into the Batcave, and he's going to add some water to them. So let's see what happens.
Over there. The drinking water dispenser is clearly marked.
Thank you very much, sir. Here's up.
Help yourself, Commodore. Slake your thirst. You'll have worse than a parched sensation when we're through with you.
Perhaps. But I am appalled by your attitude.
Now notice there's something going on here. He's accidentally switched the drinking water to heavy water. That's something we'll come back to later. But he hasn't noticed.
Coming back, man. I'm coming at once. Holy hallucination!
I wish it were, Robin, but it's not. It's 5 dehydrated pirates rehydrated.
So there we are. It's 5 dehydrated pirates rehydrated. Well, would that happen? Well, of course it wouldn't. Okay. Let's try this with the sugar. So this is our dehydrated sugar. Adding some water to this, well, we certainly don't get our sugar back. Okay. This is an example of an irreversible change. The copper sulfate, when we heated that up, it drove the water out, and when we add the water back, it reforms the hydrated copper sulfate. But this sugar here has been totally destroyed when the water has been removed, when we're left with the carbon, and we cannot reverse this reaction. And of course, it would be the same for us. If we removed all the water from us, you certainly couldn't regenerate a human again by adding the water back. Okay, so that's some reactions there where we've taken water out and added back in again.